Three little birds sat out my window, and they told me I don't need to worry.
Hi, Greer from Telos Group. I'd like to welcome you here to 2 Bar 104 Ocean View Road, right here in Northcote. This is an idyllic family home consisting of 4 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, and this generous living area that's open plan and flows out onto 2 separate decks while also overlooking the backyard. Come on, let's go have a look.
The more they stay the same, don't you hesitate. Girl, put your records on, tell me your favorite song. You go ahead, let your head down. Sapphire faded jeans, I hope you get your dreams. Just go ahead, let your head down. Blue as the sky, sunburnt and lonely, sipping tea in a bar by the roadside. Don't you let those other boys fool you. Gotta love that afro hairdo. Maybe sometimes we feel afraid, but it's alright. The more you stay the same, the more that they seem to change. Don't you think it's strange? Girl, put your records on, tell me your favorite song. You go ahead, let your head down.
What's truly unique about this property is that it backs onto a reserve. Not only are there tracks that you can walk, you could also just take the more direct route down to the shops. But there's also an abundance of bird life, with tuis and pigeons during the day, and they turn to owls in the evening. Give me a call. I'd love to show you through.
Girl, put your records on, tell me your favorite song.